Welcome back to another tutorial on Tabschool ERP. In this video, we will learn how to add students in bulk. Click on Add Student module under the Student Info. You will see this form. Now to add students in bulk, find a button called Import Student in the top right corner. Once you click it, you will see that there are certain instructions written for your help. Make sure you go through all these instructions. Below that you see the drop-downs, such as academic year, class, and section. Next to it, there is a Browse button. This means you can upload students in both class and section-wise. You might have to create multiple files. Now, let's proceed. Download the sample format, which you can find in the top right corner. A Microsoft Excel sheet will be downloaded. Open it in Excel or in Google Sheets. You will now be able to see the entire format. Start populating it with relevant student information. Follow the instructions when adding information in Excel. For example, in the gender column 1 means male, 2 means female, and 3 means others. Similarly, such numbers and codes are given to blood group, religion, relation, etc. I have added some information to the Excel sheet. While populating the student's information in Excel, make sure you must add the admission number, roll number, first name, last name, date of birth, gender, mobile, email, and admission date. Without this, your Excel sheet will not upload. Now to upload, select the academic year, class, and section. Lastly, upload the file from your computer. And click Save Bulk Students. You will receive a success message. If you do not receive a success message, it means something is wrong with your Excel sheet, or contact us at support.tabschool.in. To view the students you just uploaded, go to the student list, select the academic year, class, and section, hit search, and you will be able to see all the students. Each of the students has options under the Select button. Explore these options. Until next time with another tutorial.